Experiencing a no-key detected error in your 2018-2024 Ford Expedition? This typically means your key fob's battery is dead, preventing the car from recognizing it. We'll guide you through the fixes. Remember, Ford issued a recall, NHTA campaign number 23V123, for certain 2018-20 Expeditions due to key fob battery issues. Check if your vehicle was included. Every Ford Expedition key fob has a hidden physical key. Locate the release button on your fob, press it, and remove the metal key. Use this key to unlock your car manually. Note the key slot is often hidden under the steering column cover. Even with a dead key fob battery, you can still start your Expedition using the emergency physical key. First, press the release button on your key fob to access the hidden emergency key. Next, locate the key slot under the steering column cover. This slot allows mechanical ignition when the electronic fob isn't working. Insert the physical key into this slot. This bypasses the immobilizer system and allows you to turn the ignition manually. The engine should start normally once the key is turned. Remember, this is only a temporary solution for emergencies. The immobilizer bypass diagram shows how this mechanical method works to start the vehicle. Section 4 covers replacing the key fob battery, a simple DIY solution for the no-key detected error. First, gather your materials. You'll need a fresh CR23 3V lithium battery available at most stores for $5 to $10. The key fob battery typically lasts 1 to 3 years depending on usage. Next, locate the seam on the key fob where the two halves meet. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry it open. Be careful not to damage the plastic casing. Once open, you'll see the old battery and may notice the emergency physical key hidden inside the fob. Carefully remove the old battery and set it aside. Now insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side faces up as indicated in the battery compartment. Incorrect polarity could damage the fob. Finally, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Test the keyless entry and ignition to ensure the new battery works properly. If issues persist, the fob may need reprogramming. In some cases, simply replacing the key fob battery isn't enough to fix the no-key detected error. The fob may need to be reprogrammed to communicate properly with your Expedition's immobilizer system. For 2018 through 2023 Expeditions covered under Ford's recall, reprogramming is a free service performed at any Ford dealership. The technicians will use over-the-air updates or in-person software reprogramming to restore functionality. If your Expedition isn't under recall, reprogramming may involve a service fee. Contact your dealer to check eligibility and schedule an appointment for the procedure. Ford offers app-based keys via Ford Pass Connect. Check if your Expedition is equipped with this feature. Digital keys allow you to start your car using your smartphone, eliminating reliance on the physical fob and the need for a battery. To prevent future no-key detected issues in your Ford Expedition, replace the key fob battery every 1 to 3 years. The CR2032 battery lasts an average of 2.5 years, but about 30% fail within the first year due to heavy usage. Avoid exposing your key fob to extreme temperatures, particularly heat, which can accelerate battery drain. Check your battery annually and be especially cautious in humid or hot climates where drain occurs faster. If the no-key detected error continues even after replacing the battery, it could be a software glitch in the immobilizer system. Contact your dealer for free reprogramming or over-the-air updates, which have resolved most issues since the 2023 recall. Ford is moving towards more advanced keyless entry systems, including ultra-wideband technology for precise proximity detection. This UWB tech allows the vehicle to sense your approach more accurately than traditional Bluetooth. Future models will feature longer-lasting batteries and improved designs that resist moisture and wear. This means fewer battery replacements and more consistent performance. While older Expeditions might still need DIY fixes for key fob issues, newer vehicles should provide much more reliable keyless entry solutions. These trends represent Ford's commitment to improving vehicle access technology, making keyless entry more dependable for drivers.